The small parcel carriers provide shippers with hardware to generate shipping documents and software systems to maintain addresses and to upload shipment information to that specific carrier. Each carrier's set of hardware and software system is dedicated to that carrier, so there's often a UPS PC and printer, another PC and printer for FedEx, another for DHL, and so on, within their own warehouse. And of course, this means they have to maintain each individual system independently. They have to train their staff on each different system independently. Motor carriers make their rating information available on CD. Each carrier has their own CD and presentation of that information. Most of the larger motor carriers also have online tools available for rating and also for document generation. Without custom integrations to these different carrier systems, shippers have to manually enter this information in multiple times. Order information is getting captured in the ERP system from EDI transactions that are integrated into their system or from manually keying in documents. But ultimately, if this information is not integrated to the shipping system, it has to be entered in a second time off of a picking ticket, a packing slip, whatever. This is obviously error prone and no doubt is labor intensive. After having entered the shipment information into the detached carrier system, on the return side back to the ERP system, freight costs, tracking numbers also have to be rekeyed back into the ERP system. Again, time consuming, labor intensive, and a error prone process. A data entry error can result in hours of research, penalty charges from the carriers, delayed delivery to customers, and in turn, lower customer satisfaction. In addition to the inaccuracy and effort duplication with detached systems, the unique carrier interfaces each carrier their own knowledge curve. The knowledge curve has to be overcome for shipping personnel to be effective at shipping products for each specific carrier. Carrier-specific pockets of knowledge are developed, which puts the company at risk if key personnel is out of the office or they're out sick, or ultimately they move on to another company. The carrier-specific software no doubt increases IT overhead as well. Multi-carrier shipping systems are developed by software vendors. The multi-carrier shipping system is certified to exchange shipment transactions directly with parcel and motor carriers. Multi-carrier shipping systems provide a single system to maintain and a single source for any shipping-related configuration and business rules. Multi-carrier shipping systems typically include intuitive user interfaces that guide shippers through the shipment workflow and also help with managing carrier relationships. Typically, multi-carrier shipping systems include optional integrations to ERP systems. That, of course, eliminates data entry and also greatly increases the velocity at which shipments are processed through. The shipper can move all shipping-related configuration into a single system and define business rules one time that is adhered to consistently for any shipments, regardless of the customer account, the site, or even the carrier, but with the flexibility to make adjustments for a specific site, carrier, or a customer. All labels, paperwork, and customs documentation is generated from a single source, with information automatically entered into the document forms, such as a BOL, a commercial invoice, or certificate of origin, again, to mitigate fines and ultimately to eliminate delivery delays. With a multi-carrier shipping system, islands of knowledge are broken down, and the intelligence is ultimately moved into the shipping system. Rate shopping can be performed across parcel and LTL carriers to ultimately determine the most cost-effective carrier and service to meet the delivery commitment for customers' orders. This concludes our training session for today. I hope this session was helpful for you. If there's any questions that I can be of assistance with, feel free to contact me directly. Thank you.